everyone, my name is Karina, welcome back. Today I'm making one of my favorite childhood dishes, chorizo con nopales y huevo. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to make. I'll be serving it with some beans and tortillas. If you want to see how I make it, keep watching. I set my pan to medium heat and I'm gonna add some oil. Oil is now hot, I'm gonna add the nopales. I'm using 1 pound of fresh cut nopales. These are actually from my mom's garden, but you can find them in most grocery stores. We cook until all the juice has dried out. It's been 15 minutes. As you can see, our nopales are ready. I'm gonna move them to the side and add in 1 pound of chorizo. This is my favorite chorizo and I get it at Stater Brothers. We break it down. Once it's broken down, we mix it in with the nopales. It's been about 3 minutes. I'm now gonna add 1/4 of a small white onion and half a jalapeno. We mix and continue cooking for about 5 minutes. One of the reasons why this is my favorite chorizo is because it's not as greasy as the chorizos that you buy at most of the stores. We now add 1 Roma tomato. Mix it in. Next, I'm going to use 3 eggs and add some salt. We beat them for a few seconds. And after about 3 minutes or so of cooking, we add the eggs. And we continue cooking until they are fully cooked. Okay, it's ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat and set it to the side. Now it's time to serve. I like to serve mine with some refried beans. I have a video, check it out. Some queso fresco and flour tortillas. I absolutely love this recipe. It's so delicious, quick and easy to make, and best of all, my family loves it too. Okay guys, moment of truth. Well, not moment of truth, because honestly I was already eating. Cheers. And this is the best breakfast you could ever have. Reminds me of when my mom used to make it for us. This makes me happy. And there you have it, delicious chorizo con nopales y huevo. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you next time. Bye!